This video brought to you by FXR Division for all your FXR Dyna and newer softail needs. Handlebars, saddlebags, accessories. Check out FXR Division. See here, I installed the bags with my Harley-Davidson quick accessory bungs installed, so you can still put all your gear on there. It's only 2 screws to install. Make sure you put Loctite on those, and you'll see here in just a second my quick disconnect Harley-Davidson sissy bar will still work. The bags don't stick out too far and everything functions perfectly. You will need to relocate your rear turn signals. I got a lay down license plate with rear turn signal relocation, and I like the way that looks. You'll see the sissy bar clips right in and clips right out. I like to run my backpack on my sissy bar when I go camping. I have all my camping gear in my backpack, which frees the bags up for other stuff. And my saddlebag sits right there, and I strap it right onto my sissy bar. Plenty of room for that. And everything functions perfectly. Here's a look at the bike. To get that retro FXR look, the bags are a perfect match with the FXR T fairing. I got my bags painted gloss black, Harley-Davidson paint. It's a perfect match. Plenty of storage in these backs, and the look is the perfect FXR look. I have these on my 2020 Lowrider S, and I couldn't be more happier with the fit and finish on these bags. Here's a look at the storage. The locks on these bags are lockable. I put my tank bag in here just to show you guys how much room's in here. That's a Biltwell Exfil 11 tank bag, and there's room for plenty more in there. You can get your jacket, your camping gear, whatever you need to put in there, your spare clothes. You could put ice in there and make it a cooler if that's what you need to do on a hot day. And that's the FXR saddlebags from FXR Division.